Error installing Samsung One UI 8 beta program in Samsung S25 Ultra in India. So first of all, open the member application on your Samsung device. Make sure log in with your Samsung account to check for the Samsung One UI 8 beta update. Here you need to swipe until you can see the One UI beta update on your Samsung device in India only. Make sure here you can see the One UI 8 beta program for the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus or S25 Ultra for India. So tap on the banner. Here you can see thank you for your interest in the beta program. Registration for the One UI 8 beta program. So scroll down. Here you can find the option beta program home. Tap on it on your Samsung device. Now here you can see the open option One UI 8 S25 beta. Tap on it to install the One UI 8 beta on your Samsung S25 Ultra, S25 Plus or S25 in India. Here you can see the message thank you for your interest in beta program. Now scroll down. Now tap on the join button at the bottom on your Samsung device to install One UI 8 beta. Tap on a join. Now you can see the Samsung member result supported in this region. So this is the error actually occur in the my Samsung S25 Ultra in India. So if you have any Samsung S25 series and live in India, please check and comment if you are facing this issue and how do I fix this One UI 8 update error fix on your my Samsung device. Please comment. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any solution, please comment on the blue box.